Hello traders. Today we are looking at the NB channel indicator available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool draws a dynamic channel around price to help you observe the current trading range. At this point, I'll just go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, you want to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the indicator draws upper and lower channels that adjust dynamically as price evolves. The channel defines a visual range within which price is moving. When price approaches the upper boundary, some traders interpret this as potentially stretched to the upside, and when it nears the lower boundary, it may be considered stretched to the downside. The center line provides a reference for the channel's midpoint. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Our inputs include the all bars and then the bars for fact. You can also choose our preferred colors and trade on our preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, this indicator is suited for traders who use channel-based analysis. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Price can remain at channel extremes or break through them, so touching a channel boundary does not guarantee a reversal. Always confirm with other analysis and apply proper risk management. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.